Hey there, all my friends and family, everybody out there in the YouTube verse that is tiny house enthusiasts. Just want to say hello. So I got the outside and it's looking like 99% of the way done. I have also been working with team as in two guys, two experts, and once this project is done, I'm gonna have at least a rudimental functioning knowledge. I can't do the welding yet, but maybe someday, so watch it. I have been putting together with my friend Grande and Rob, and it is an all aluminum removable staircase. It's unusual, it's all custom, and behind in the inside of the walls, the guys used a big steel plate, and they're cantilevered in the back of the house. When it's custom and it's small, it takes a lot of planning. So yeah, I have delusions of grandeur sometimes. I have two 550 watt panels back there, and I'm gonna have a total of four 320 watts. So all in all, going to be very exciting and satisfying to me. Hopefully we'll get into some of the nitty gritty detail. All right, omit the ditty part. You get what I mean. All right, take care, folks.